Alright people, welcome to another YouTube video. I am Michael. In the apiary again. Today, we're going to do a number of things. We're going to clean out around the bees box. We're going to clean around the bees box. You know, like chopping out the grass and shrubs and so anything that is there. To have a good access to the bee for the bees. And then, we're going to put the stand in some engine oil. So we're going to put a bottle, some bottle and at the base of the stand, and then put some engine oil in there to prevent any parasite from crawling up onto the stand and ultimately going into the hive, like roach, ants, termite, things like those. All right, and then now we're gonna do a split. So we have some bees in the box right there, and we're gonna split one of the hive down there. So a whole heap of work we have to do. So come on, come with me. See the smoker, yeah? Up and running. Oh, and we're also going to feed the bees with some sugar syrup. Alright? Oh, it's what the magic already. So they need foundation, look there.
Yeah,
See it?
so pretty.
This a comb now, she don't dry out on the frame. So them not dried from the frame, but them are dried on
The
this.
top.
Which I don't want. Alright, so like come see this. But I'm going to do chin, I'll clean on it first. Let me start them out. I'm gonna start them out and then I clean one. No, but I want to put the see the nest there, so what I'm talking about?
Read
See
the
the ants them?
ants them.
Then I go in at this.
Okay.
And I go up in at it. So, I'll do it then.
Give me the smoker.
So people, engine oil. And what this does, prevent any insect from crawling up. Next now, go for the frame then. That's what we don't want. We don't want that's called burr comb.
Alright, give me the smoker
Hive
now.
tool. Look, Hive tool, man.
It's when them a fly run my face.
Alright, so then start dry this out.
Yeah.
The focus on it now.
Yeah.
The people, you see how then start draw out the this already. I'm gonna give them this one up as well. Alright, so people, the queen is here and she's laying. I'm not seeing her, but I'm seeing the larvae and I'm seeing eggs. Now look good, Tanisha. You have to look good. If it's one little find something down at the bottom, look down here, sir. Don't look through the thing.
I am seeing.
You seen it?
So wonderful.
No man. In them one, if it's one little beanie something and white something. Come on, look good. Look in them one where them bees are there right so. If it's one little white something.
Yes.
You see them now?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, tell me yes because
No man, me see them now. I know that.
the egg them look big.
Me did a look. But me look for some like a round something like. It's not like a white round something. No, sir, I can't manage you.
Because something looks so obvious and you can't see it.
Nickel, because you know it. I don't know what I am looking for. That's the difference.
Them that. Look how them are coming with food. Look. They look on the yellow something on them.
Oh,
You see it on the back leg?
I
And pollen
see.
basket.
People, look at that. Loaded.
See the pollen there? See the pollen there on them store? The yellow thing?
Yeah.
See all brood there? So the queen need to find place to lay. The queen all lay in this. You see it? Everywhere she lay. Which is a good sign.
Only the one you loaded. You should all you can find where to go in. So these are the guard bees.
Yes, one more.
Oh, they might make sure so she go in. Right through, my friend. Go on through, man. Bring in the food. Can I keep smelling stink for me?
I'm sure them something. So peeps, so what I did was to remove this hive from right there and put that new box in the position where I removed the hive from. So all the bees, approximately 1/3 of the population is out. So most of them now will go back into this box and strengthen this. Alright, so we're going to do a split. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take out a couple frames from that strong box and put in this. And that strong box, I'm going to put over there. So the bees that are out from that box originally are going to come into this one. So that strong box is going to be over this side. So we're going to strengthen this one. Alright. So take out this stand. Look at bees. What are them are working with food, you know? You see them? All of them have food. So I'm going to put in some brood now in this box. And as you can see, all of these bees are loaded. They are worker bees. See them? See them pollen basket? Loaded. And they are looking for their hive. So it goes, man. So what I don't want to do is to put the queen over there. So I'm going to look carefully if the queen is on this. Because I don't want to take the queen out of here, put over there. Come, Tantan, hold this. So folks, this now is officially a nuke hive. A nuke hive with 3 frames. There is no queen in it, so I give them open brood. So what they're going to do now is to draw out queen cells and make their own queen. Alright? Then we get a nice little hive. That's how you do it, man. So we feed them. So the sugar syrup there, they have food, a lot of workers. And remember now, the population that is out is going to come back. They are going to come back and they are going to strengthen this hive. Right? They will make their queen. So within 15 days, I'm going to come back and check after 15 to 16 days to see if there is a new queen. What I'm going to do now is to remove that box now and put it back right there. But before I do that, I'm going to put some foundation on this and give to these bees so we can draw out more cream and start in business again. Amen?
Amen.
Don't cover up like this. See this smell?
Can I rub it down?
Yeah, it was big already at that one. Alright, people. So I'm gonna put in some empty frame in this hive now. Remember, this is the one that I took the brood from. So we have to give them back frame to draw out. Strong, huh?
Yeah.
Very strong.
Squeeze some smoke. Around my face. Oh, you're squeezing the back, no busy ball box.
Hey, you want to smoke on your face, man?
Of course, you know, see them around my face. So see, enjoy what happened to the coil now.
So I'm just gonna show you. You don't have to kill yourself, man. You have on the veil. That's why you have on the veil. Veil and fish man is nasty. So I'm gonna show you. This is the one that we just split. You see it? So it looks strong already? Yeah. Because the workers, look how them practically drink out when I already.
Oh my.
You understand me? So all the population that is out now will come back and strengthen this. So before you know it, then draw out them queen.
That's it.
That is it, peeps.
Thank God, I'm glad me done. I am happy we are finished.
Is it, huh? Easy, I look nice.
And I got my first thing today.
And you get your first thing. Look at these. Look at these bees now. Look at them. Wow.
Then when you drink up to man.
Practically done it, don't.
Yo, what them when you greedy, Michael? What am I drink so? Can I sit up there and wait on you? Because you're finished, right? Okay. Good. Get tired of the bees, them I know. Wanna stop follow behind me, no man. And go back down. I wanna hive.
Alright, peeps. So finish up here now. I'm gonna show you the finished product. I'm doing is just finish up doing the cleaning up. Alright. So see the bees down there. This is the hive that we took from the speaker box. We're gonna number them. So that's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put some number on the box. This is the one that was split. And after 2 weeks or so, I'm gonna come back and give you an update on this one. And that is the original hive. Alright, so that's it. Bees here look good. See? Looking good. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for stopping by. And remember to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Michael. Peace.